We divide 979 by 5 in long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 4. So now we put down this 7 and it is 47. 5 times 9 is 45. On subtracting we get 2. So again we put down this 9 and it is 29. 5 times 5 is 25. On subtracting we get 4. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal so that we put 0. So it is 40 and 5 times 8 is 40. On subtracting we get 0. So 979 divided by 5 is 195 decimal 8. So this much for today and thanks for watching.